Here I have myPhone Prime 2, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device, and let me show you how to set up this DND mode on the following Android smartphone. At the very beginning, let me show you how to quickly switch on Do Not Disturb. Let's just use upper bar twice, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. Let's tap it. As you can see here, you can choose the total silence, so you can block all sounds and vibration, including from alarms, music, videos and games. But of course you'll still be able to make phone calls, and you may also choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibration that you specified. You can also choose the alarms only, so you can allow alarms on your device. And you have to also decide either you would like to use this until you turn it off, or for example for exact period of time. So let me tap done for now. Let me use the alarms only, and if you would like to find the Do Not Disturb settings, let's tap apps icon right here. Let me choose the settings, scroll down, and right here under device let's choose the sound. Here let's choose Do Not Disturb, and as you can see here you can choose priority only allows, and you can customize your priority rules. For example, you can handle reminders, events, messages, callers and repeat callers. Let's go back. You can also choose some automatic rules to switch on automatically the Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, and in other customized rule. You may also choose the block visual disturbance to block all disturbance of the device. So that's it. If you would like to quit this mode, let's do the same thing. So use the upper bar twice and choose on alarms only. Right now you are using the normal mode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.